High levels of humidity in the air can cause various issues like dry skin, headaches, and breathing difficulties. These problems can occur in any season, not just during summer. Surprisingly, winter can be particularly problematic because we tend to seal our doors and windows, trapping excess moisture indoors. This can result in indoor humidity, leading to the growth of mold or dampness. One effective way to address this problem is by placing indoor plants that can absorb humidity from the air. Plants naturally act as dehumidifiers since they absorb water from their surroundings through their leaves and release moisture back into the air through a process called transpiration. This helps to regulate humidity levels and promotes fresher air in any indoor space. But some plants are better than others. Let's take a closer look at some of the best indoor plants to help reduce humidity. 1. Peperomia. Our first plant is the peperomia, also known as pennywort. This evergreen plant has fleshy, small leaves that absorb moisture from the air, making it a great choice for reducing indoor humidity. Just remember to water it on a rotating schedule to keep the soil moist. If you're looking for a plant that will add a bit of greenery to your home, but without having time to take care of it properly, this is the perfect little guy for you. 2. Pothos. Next up, we have the pothos, also called devil's ivy. This climbing vine with thick, glossy, heart-shaped leaves is a champ at absorbing water. It can thrive in poor conditions and requires minimal attention. It's famous for being virtually indestructible. Just place it in an area with excessive moisture and let it do its thing. 3. English ivy. English ivy is another excellent choice for reducing humidity. It's easy to care for and can survive in low light levels, making it perfect for bathrooms or showers where humidity tends to be higher. 4. Aloe vera, or true aloe, not only looks great with its striking green leaves, but also helps reduce moisture in the air. This low-maintenance succulent thrives in bright, direct light, so placing it near a window is ideal for its growth. 5. Spider plant. Spider plants are known for their diversity, adaptability, and ease of care. These hardy plants grow quickly and are particularly effective at absorbing humidity when placed in hanging pots. They can tolerate both bright and low light conditions, making them a versatile option, but be sure to keep them out of direct sunlight or their leaves will scorch. They will produce baby spider plants that you can cut off and use to grow your collection, so you end up with a lot of plant for your money. 6. Peace lily. The elegant peace lily is not only a lovely flowering plant, but also a great dehumidifier. It requires minimal care, can tolerate low light, and has the bonus of purifying the air. Keep the soil moist as peace lilies will wilt if the soil gets too dry. However, be cautious if you have pets, as peace lilies can be toxic to cats and dogs. 7. Orchids are tropical plants that love humidity. While they prefer bright, indirect sunlight, they can thrive in low-light conditions as well. Remember to water them sparingly as they prefer drier soil. 8. Palm trees. If you have the space, palm trees are an excellent choice. They are low maintenance, thrive in poor soil conditions, and are fantastic at reducing humidity in the surrounding air. Plus, they bring a touch of tropical vibes to any room. 9. Ferns. Ferns are known for their ability to thrive in high humidity. They handle temperature fluctuations well, love shade, and can be a great addition to your indoor garden. Some popular fern options include the Boston fern, bird's nest fern, and asparagus fern. 10. Air plant. Last but not least, we have air plants. These eye-catching plants from the bromeliad family absorb nutrients and moisture from the air indoors, making them effective at reducing humidity. They thrive in filtered sunlight and are perfect for adding a touch of uniqueness to your space. And there you have it, a fantastic selection of houseplants that can naturally act as dehumidifiers in your home. Remember to choose the ones that suit your space and care preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Happy gardening!